Good afternoon, everyone. This is my video for my 3 steps to the task number 2, unit 2. For my step 3, I needed to create different sentences about the things that I make in my uh, routine, and these things I like it and dislike. I like singing. I am good cooking. I'm to listen to music. I'm interested in learning. I'm keeping on studying English, and I'm crazy about a workout. The thing that dislike is I dislike cleaning to the bathroom. I'm no good at ironing. I'm not much into washing the clothes. I hate eating the tortilla. I can stand keeping it down in my bed, and I don't really care for playing things. And my step number 5 is the next step that I need to present to you. I needed to choose one friend and look the things that he make in his child routine and my routine. I compare it with my routine. And in my routine, I write that I woke up early every day. I do work out 3 times per week and spend time with my children almost all week. I cook every day. I've studied English since at 8 a.m. until 2 p.m. I clean in my apartment. I go to the supermarket 1 time per week. I walk to my mom every day, and usually I drink water. The routine for my best friend is that he goes to sleep every day, later every day. He sings the weekends. He usually play guitar. He sometimes spend many time with um, his friend. He always keep looking his phone. He spend time 2 or 3 times with her daughter per week, and he eats everywhere kind of. Okay, in conclusion, I can say that the life with my friend is very different because he makes um okay, we have different routines dials. For example, he usually likes to play guitar, but I like doing workout 3 times per week. He goes to sleep later every day and wake up early every day. But we have sometimes something in common, and is that we enjoy to the music and spend time with our children. Now, for the last one, is the number 8. In this step, I needed to choose the picture with different activities and make the different sentence. In this sentence, I write that in the activity number one, she is plays playing her guitar. The second is that they are riding a bike. The third is the dog is running with the kids. Number 4, he is cooking for his family. Number 5, he is fishing in the lake lately. 6 is Carlos is resting in the hammock at 4 p.m. 7, we are making the camp tent in the park. 8, here she is helping her mom. And number 9, right now Carlos and Andres are playing in football soccer. And the last one is number 10th is that they are roasting the their marshmallows in the campfire. Okay, this is all. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in other video. Bye.